exploring the meaning of home and hearth. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, home and hearth. This phrase is rich in history and cultural significance, and understanding it will not only improve your language skills but also give you insight into English-speaking cultures. So, let's dive in. Home and hearth is a phrase that conjures up images of warmth, comfort, and family. The word home refers to a place of residence, but it also symbolizes safety, belonging, and emotional attachment. The hearth, historically, was the fireplace of a home. In times past, the hearth was the center of the home, a source of warmth, and the site where food was cooked. So, the phrase, home and hearth, encapsulates the idea of a nurturing, warm, and secure family environment. Understanding the historical context of phrases can be fascinating. In earlier times, the hearth was vital for survival. It was the heart of the home, providing heat in cold weather and a place to cook food. This centrality made the hearth a natural gathering place for family members, thus becoming a symbol of family unity and domestic life. Over time, as technology evolved and fireplaces were replaced by modern heating and cooking methods, the symbolic meaning of the hearth remained ingrained in the language. Today, the phrase, home and hearth, is often used metaphorically. It represents the warmth, comfort, and security associated with one's home and family life. It can be used in various contexts, like in literature to evoke a sense of nostalgia, in everyday conversation to express a longing for the comfort of home, or in advertising to convey a sense of domestic bliss. I hope this exploration of the phrase, home and hearth, has been enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding such phrases not only helps in learning the English language but also provides a window into the culture and history of English-speaking societies. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video, where we'll uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language.